hot water too.
Well, the traitor is the wife.
What, Mrs. Flambeau?
That's right. The wife kidnapped her own innocent daughter. I'm gonna go have a chat with her.
Look, Hammer, I totally disagree with this theory, but as your partner, I'm prepared to back you up 100%. Let me go with you. I'm just gonna make a few calls.
I like her.
Who are you talking to?
Oh,
I don't care if you said no more links. You're going to watch this because donors allow you to lie. And before you say -30, I don't care because I have enough money that it doesn't matter to me, just like you'll probably reason for not watching this.
I haven't said it yet, but now I say no further links.
Deceitful, no good piece of white trash. I've known that for years. But she had nothing to do with the kidnapping. Chief, put this...
I didn't hear you say no more links.
no, wait, I don't understand.
Okay, you're lost in queue.
Aha.
They've given
No
me a
further
drop-off
links.
location
And
in
no
the matter of
fucking
private
further, I
jets.
didn't hear you
I
say
have
no
no
more
course
links.
now but to capitulate, thanks to you. Duro, I want you to deliver the ransom to them.
Wait a minute. Whoever that messenger is probably going to get killed. Let me do it.
That sounds like a terrific idea. No. The last thing I need in my hands now is a shootout.
Hammer, I'm ordering you to return to your apartment and to stay there. I'm sorry, I'll have to ask for your badge.
Now get out!
Be careful, Duro.
I will, Hammer. Anybody here?
Step forward. Slowly.
So they sent us a little lady. And a foxy one at that. Hand over the money, tramp. And you'll be escorting us to that jet, too.
Not until I see that Francine Flambeau is safe.
Police!
Yeah. Come on. Come on. How you doing, Francine?
I haven't eaten in a day and a half, and I missed last night's Dynasty.
Police person is clean.
You can drop the victimized society girl routine. You're an accomplice in your own abduction.
Just what are you talking about, pig?
Financial records gave me the name of the college that Francine attended 4 years ago. You attended at the exact same time, Luxley. My hunch is that you two know each other and are an item.
I applaud your ingenuity. See, I loathe my father, and now I'll escape from under his fascist thumb, along with my lover, my comrades, and $1 million.
Perfect plan, Francine.
And once we're safely away, I'll kill you myself.
You'd kill me for a briefcase full of shredded paper?
There's nothing but confetti in here.
That's a good reason to kill her.
Surprise! Party's over, crumb cakes.
And just who are you, man?
Yeah, sucker. And why are you smiling?
Why? Because I'm trigger happy, that's why.
You dead, man.
You may be right. All right, let's get this over with. I got an aerobics class in the morning. You just ruined my best sports jacket. Now I'm really mad.
Why?
You know, I almost forgot I had a grenade in my pocket. Lucky this jacket didn't go to the cleaners. Three down, one to go. You deserve a good spanking, girlie.
Drop the gun, or this broad gets it.
Please be my guest. Go ahead, kill her. And then I'll just go ahead and kill you.
She's serious, Hammer.
I'm sure she is, Dory. And as a policewoman, I know you're prepared to die in the line of duty.
All right, stud. It's just you and me. Now drop the gun this instant. I know you'd never shoot at a woman.
Sorry, Francine. Call me a feminist.
Does that hurt?
Anytime a really nice sports jacket gets ruined, it hurts.
Thank goodness you followed me here.
No, don't thank goodness. Thank gun.
Thanks, Sledge.
Very good. Cat shitting for 2 years. Forsen, my mom will probably die from cancer tonight, and her last wish was you beating the record today. Could you make this happen, please? Why are you lying, man? I saw your mother last night, alright? She looked totally fine. You know what I'm saying?
Whack, 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 whack.